ladies and gents, here we are, best of the best, you know it. Scott Davis, got a fearless lady jumping out of planes with us today. Deanna! Hey, how's it going? Alright, you're looking alright. Look at this rad getup you have on. What's that all about? What are you planning on doing? What are you, crazy? Yeah? Yeah, I dig it. Right on. So any special occasion, or you just woke up? Oh, 30, alright. And what a better way to celebrate all your time you spent on this earth than to plummet towards it out of an aircraft, right? Yep. I like the way you think. Cool. Tell all your friends and family, how high are you going today?
1,300 feet.
Oh.
No, 13,000.
Yeah, that's it. 13,500 feet, 2.5 miles up there. You remember how fast you're going to be falling?
120 miles.
Yeah, boy. And loving every second of it, right? I'm going to give you a fun fact. At 120 miles an hour, you're moving at about 18 stories a second. You ever gone that fast before? No? But you're ready to, right? Yeah. Alright, well, cool. We've only got a couple minutes till our plane takes off. You ready to get on board? Alright, cool. I'll see you on the aircraft then.
Yes! You just jumped out of a plane! What'd you think? was awesome.
You're awesome. Oh my goodness. What was your favorite part of that skydive?
The first jump.
First
As
jump?
soon as we jumped.
That
Yeah.
first step's a doozy.
I know. Pretty
Way to
amazing. Hey, how about the part where Bina saved our lives? That was pretty cool too, right?
What?
Where Bina saved our lives. Go Bina. Go you.
Nice camera.
Awesome
Bubbles.
job. Right here. Give me
Way
some
to go.
love. All right. Thanks for jumping with us, Sienna. We'll see you next time at Skydive Dallas. Ow!